Does your heavy-duty truck feel incredibly sluggish on the highway while the engine misfires constantly and shakes your entire cabin? You might be facing the P3458 diagnostic trouble code, which indicates a performance problem in the cylinder number 8 deactivation or intake valve control circuit. Just like other displacement on-demand systems found in modern American V8 engines, your vehicle uses cylinder deactivation to sip fuel like a smaller car when you are cruising under a light load. To make this happen, the engine control module sends an electrical signal to a dedicated solenoid that stops the intake valve on cylinder number 8 from opening. When the computer monitors this specific control circuit and detects that the electrical voltage or resistance is acting erratically and simply not performing within the expected normal range, it immediately sets this code to warn you. The symptoms will completely ruin your driving experience. You will be staring at a glowing check engine light on your dashboard while experiencing a very noticeable and rough engine misfire. Your acceleration will feel incredibly weak, and ironically, your fuel consumption will actually skyrocket because the engine is struggling to run. To protect the internal components from failure, the computer might even completely shut off the fuel injector for cylinder number 8. What is behind this frustrating performance issue? In a vast majority of cases, the root cause is incredibly basic: extremely low engine oil pressure or running the engine with contaminated, sludgy oil. These cylinder deactivation solenoids act like tiny hydraulic valves, and they absolutely need clean, pressurized oil to function. Other common causes include a physically defective deactivation solenoid that has failed internally, clogged oil passages inside the engine, frayed electrical wiring underneath the hood, or an electrical connector packed with green corrosion. If you want to start troubleshooting this in your driveway, you must begin by checking your engine oil dipstick. If the oil is completely black or barely registering on the stick, do a full oil and filter change right away. Next, locate the deactivation solenoid for cylinder number 8 near the intake manifold and thoroughly inspect the electrical harness. Look for wires that have been chewed by rodents or melted by the scorching engine heat. Unplug the connector to ensure the metal pins are spotless. If a fresh batch of high-quality oil and a solid wiring inspection do not cure your misfire, it is time to hand the keys over to a certified mechanic. They have the advanced digital multimeters required to perform continuity tests, and the expertise to safely replace the internal solenoid without causing further damage to your expensive powertrain. Drive safe, and keep your oil clean.